Are they not allowed to eat eggs? Weh!
Yan. Alis?
Ikaw mauna. Dito. Okay.
Weh!
Ay, meron palang lie detector. Baka masakit pa.
Even like scrambled?
Hindi ako masaya. Lin! Lin!
Oh no, chips. Hindi naman na pinakain ng chips. But, no, I feel like a irresponsible parent alone.
Ano yung ibig sabihin nun?
Hindi mo masaya.
Like? I like?
Shucks! Feeling ko ibabad ka namin ng vitamin si Lingling. Oh no. Pero pinakain namin siya ng cat food. Na halong cat food. Oh my God, pinakita ko pa kanina. This is Lingling's food. Oh no. Shucks.
Ulit, di na.
Okay. No more eggs for Lingling.